Hello there. I'm showcasing the game that I produced for my 112 class, and this is a classic tower defense game that we're doing here. So here, the focus of the game is to produce towers that help defend your base. Different towers have different stats and abilities. So in this case, I just produced an archer tower that has quite a far range. When you kill an enemy, you actually earn gold and you remove that enemy. So as you earn enough gold, you can produce more towers. You can even choose different types of towers to produce as a result. So here now we have 500 gold, and I can afford to produce an artillery tower. So I press Q. Now I can afford an artillery tower. I built an artillery tower here. And it has the bullets that it shoots are slightly different stat-wise than the others. So, for example, once I make enough money, around 650, I'll be able to produce a mage, and that mage fires larger bullets that are more powerful than the other most expensive tower that you can produce. As waves keep on going, it gets more difficult. There's more enemies that are produced. As a result, more opportunity to make money too. So here we go. We have mage, W, and then we produce a mage, little guy, and he shoots bolts. And that's essentially the focus of the game. All these towers are capable of figuring out the location of enemies prior to firing. You want to survive all the rounds as long as possible without your base losing health. And it's a classic tower defense game. Thank you for listening.